how to enable Steam developer mode features. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously get into your Steam and make sure you're logged into your account, right? So after doing that, what we're going to do is, if you simply like click on the username that you'll be able to see right here, you can actually view your profile, or if you click on account details, you'll be able to go through your account details, right? So in here, unfortunately, I have to let you guys know that Steam does not actually have a traditional developer mode for regular users. But if you are a Steamworks developer, you can simply sign into your Steamworks portal, obviously, and then access developer tools available through your Steamworks account, right? So in here, you have to know that most users won't actually see these options because, like I said, you would actually need to be a Steamworks developer yourself in order to get these settings. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.